Question number 6. So now the question asks us for the organization or the overall structure of the text. Quick note, I just want you guys to know something. You're going to hear people say, well, read the question first and then read the paragraph. This is like old school SAT where you actually have to understand the questions before you go into the passage so you don't get lost in the passage. All of this is 100 words. I believe that by reading the question first, you're just wasting time. If you just read the information and then the question, you're not going to forget what you read. It's only 100 words, 80 words, 60 words, 120 words. So it's not like you're reading a 1,000-word passage or 800-word passage where you have to read the question first. So I find that strategy very silly, very time-wasting, because if you waste 10 seconds reading it, and you're also not in the reading mode, I don't like that strategy. So just keep this in mind, guys. Question number 6. If I read through, you're going to see here, well, I hear, right, capitalized there, so it's charged against me that I seek to destroy institutions. So this indicates a rumor. And notice the shift, and we said shifts are really important, but really I am neither for nor against institutions. So he's basically saying here, well, this rumor is not true. This rumor is not true. I'm neither for nor against. Let's continue reading. What indeed have I in common with them? Or what with the destruction of them? Only I will establish the Manhattan, and every city of these states, inland and seaboard, and in the fields and woods and above every keel, little shop, da 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 da. So, and then here tells us what he will do, right? He'll establish a Manhattan in every city and the like. So it's a rumor followed by a repudiation of that rumor, followed by something that he will do in the future. Let's go through the answer choices and make sure you eliminate for specific reasons and you make connections for specific reasons. The speaker questions an increasingly prevalent attitude, okay, then summarizes his worldview, but he doesn't really summarize his worldview, does it? He's more telling us that what he's going to do in the future, his plans. The speaker regrets, because let me go back to the question. An overall structure is asking us what are the main ideas? Basically, how does it begin? How does it end? The speaker regrets isolation from others? No, right? Because here, is what he's charged. That's a rumor. The speaker concedes his personal shortcomings. He doesn't do that, but again, right? Let's check the rest of the answer. He then boasts of his many achievements, but he doesn't speak of achievements because it's something he will do. He hasn't done it yet, so it's a future tense. So answer C, no. The speaker addresses criticisms leveled against him. Well, are there criticisms? Well, he seeks to destroy institutions. That's a criticism. How do we know this is a criticism? Because it is charged. People accuse him of this. But what does he do about that? He addresses it. And how does he address this criticism? By repudiating, but I'm neither this or that. This isn't true. And then he announces a grand ambition. So what is his grand ambition? A grand ambition is a future goal or plan and what he will do in the future. So answer D is the best answer. So we read the little text, we read the question, why are ecologists worried? And so here in the text, you're going to find, but right there at the shift, really important in digital SAT, these shifts. Ecologists are worried that its growth is declining. Okay, so why is it declining? Because of grazing animals. Well, is this enough for me to read? Well, no, I'd like to get a full idea. The ecologists say that strong fences should prevent deer from eating young trees and help Pando thriving. So why are they worried about Pando? Because it's no longer growing. Answer A, it isn't growing at the same rate it used to. So I like answer A, but we check our other answers. Answer B, it isn't producing young trees anymore. Maybe also. Don't be shy. When we eliminate on the basis of 100%. So I'm not really sure right now about A or B, but I'll check my other answers and then I'll go back. Answer C can grow into new areas because it's blocked by fences. Well, no, they're building fences to protect it. Its root systems can't support new trees. And well, this isn't really supported, right? The issue is the animals. So it's either A or B. It's not growing at the same rate or it isn't producing young trees. Well, it is producing young trees. It says it right here. They want to protect these young trees. So it's not answer B, it's answer A. these deer are eating the young trees, which is slowing down the actual growth of these young trees.